Hey everybody, CT Hippo here. So back in the very early days of my work on exploring the Charlotte, back when I was still using pipe rigs, I managed to lose one of the GoPros. It was basically, this is before I had the underwater camera rig, so it was just a GoPro strapped to a pipe, and I dropped it over the side of the kayak and bounced along the bottom, and that was all I could do. And got hung up on something, lost it, didn't even realize it until I pulled the rig up. I was like, huh, I'm missing some parts. So today was out snorkeling on the wreck, and look what I found. So it's been underwater for over a year now, and we're about to crack it open and see what's inside.
Hey, you know how you love those funny little asides on your videos?
Yeah,
Vroom, vroom.
that was an aside. So, it's a little sticky. The screw's definitely stuck. So let me go grab a wrench and we'll get that open. No, I don't know where my handy dandy little actual GoPro opening tool is, but this will work. So we've got some corrosion on the screw there, corrosion on the hinge. Pops open. Basically dry. No water in the case. Camera's dry, mostly dry. Memory cards. Okay, got something on it. Maybe a battery died in there or something. Pop the battery back, looks fine. Battery's not expanded or corroded at all. That looks fine. Battery's in good shape there. So let's go plug it in and see if it works. So we're going to start by plugging the GoPro in. Let's see if this will stay. Real well. Well, says it's charging. Says it's charging. Here's the memory card. Pull that out. Stick it into the slot. Okay, well, files are there. I suspect that this is after it fell in and was buried or face down or something. But yeah, the memory card's intact. And it should show the last picture it took before it got hung up on something and died. So yeah, I guess we're gonna have to call that a success. So yeah, that's it's a GoPro camera that spent a year underwater and has now been recovered and seems to still work. So that's pretty awesome. Till next time, we'll see you later.